What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to do something different. I mean, obviously everyone knows that we do this video once in a month where we talk about upcoming releases. I don't know why, but it is kind of boring for me and probably for some of you as well, because it's just boring. I mean, who looks at sneakers so professionally? And also not just that, this month is kind of dry once again. There isn't some really amazing and a long list of sneakers to look up for. So I thought let me just start my vlog today, and during this video we will talk about a couple of upcoming releases that are worth talking about and worth thinking for or thinking about whether to put your money in that sneaker or not, whether for personal or for reselling purposes. By the way, obviously I'm wearing my Red Octobers because these are the only Red Octobers we can afford right now. Vax is here editing the video. Alright, so finally back home, and I just forgot to record while I was out. Anyways, that's not important. So we are back. Let's first quickly talk about a couple of Yeezys that are coming out in the month of November. We'll only talk about the special things or the weird things as usual in case of Yeezys, and not each and everything that's coming out. So first we have is that new weird, I think NSLTD boot or something like that. You know, you'll see it on the screen here. So that's coming out for a retail of $250. Now I don't know, it's getting a lot of hate from people, obviously, because it's a new silhouette, and like in any other case, all the new silhouettes are first hated by everyone and then it grows onto people. But this might not be the case with this one, because this one is not exactly wearable, especially in India. But either ways, I'll try to get a pair myself because it's pretty exciting and I always like to try the new silhouettes. So let's see if we get an unboxing of that soon and we'll talk about that. But talking from resale purposes, I don't think it makes any sense. So anyways, it's not going to drop in India. It's just going to be a drop on easysupply.com or something like that. So it's definitely a drop for resale, because I mean, I don't think you really have a chance. But either ways, it's a drop. We don't know what's going to happen with it. We got to take it slow and see what happens and probably try our luck in the next one. And about personals, again, I'll leave that to if I'm able to do an unboxing of those, and then probably I will give you my opinion whether it is a good cop for personal or not. Now moving on, the next Yeezy we have in line is another weird looking boot, which is similar, I mean, based off the knit runners that we recently saw. I did unboxing as well on the channel. So it's called the Yeezy Knit Runner boot. Knit runners didn't do as well when it comes to demand, and not only about the prices. So I don't think these will also do anything better, because these are in case, like I said, since it's a boot and it's very different, it is not going to have that much of a demand. So it's a drop for reselling, and for personals, without even trying, I think I'll still like to say it's a drop. But like I said, I will try to get these also in hand, do a review, take a look at it, and then probably tell you whether it's worth or not personally. So yeah, those were the two weird looking Yeezys that we are getting. I'm just waiting for Harsh now, and then I have to head out to Sonal's place because it happens to be Dhanteras today, and I have to go for a small puja. Okay, so Harsh is here. Harsh, we have to go to Sonal's place for some Dhanteras puja. So are you coming or you have some other work?
I have some work, yeah, I have to finish.
अच्छा, बाय द वे सब पूछ रहे थे कि तूने वो वर्मिलियन के बारे में कुछ बताया नहीं, तो वो वर्मिलियन कैसा लगा?
क्या similar to the other foam runners.
But how is the color? What do you think?
Color is nice.
It's Red October, ना मतलब? अरे, you understand what I mean, ना?
Oh, obviously, bro. It's a red.
So
it's a red
would you?
Yeezy, and it was released in October, so it is a red.
ये तो तू वही बोल रहा है जो मैं वीडियो में बोला.
तो अभी है ही वही, तो और क्या बोलूं?
तो तेरे को सैंड ज़्यादा पसंद है कि ये? तो मेरे हिसाब से I feel this is the best color है.
हाँ, it is.
See, they've made the shade right, so it is not looking cheap. It's looking nice.
Yeah, it's a very exotic.
Yeah, it is not looking cheap at all. So do you think sand is better or this is better?
This is better overall.
But you would like to wear sand.
के हिसाब से sand.
ठीक है, so you wear sand, I will wear Red October. हाँ, तो अभी तू क्या कुछ काम कर रहा है कि चल रहा है?
पहले काम कर लेता हूँ फटाफट.
हाँ, तो तू एक काम कर, तू तेरा काम खत्म कर. I am going to Sonal's house quickly for a small little puja attendance, and then we'll pick you for dinner and we'll go out, okay? By the way, I forgot about two more sneakers. I think one is a new silhouette again. We have something like the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact, which is more like a compact version of the 350 V2s as the name suggests. So that is coming out in the slate blue colorway. I think that is looking pretty promising and it might be really nice. I would say it's a cop for personals, and since it's the first drop of a new silhouette, so it is obviously going to be good for reselling also, but I don't expect it to come in India. So it's a tough luck at trying to cop those, but if you do happen to cop it, then yes, it is great for reselling. I think yeah, that was the only one that I want to talk about. Alright, so we are done with puja at Sonal's place. Didi, what puja was this?
Dhanteras ki puja.
So when is Diwali festival?
Day after tomorrow.
So Sonal is basically going to her sasural tomorrow. So we did the puja today. So this is all the puja that I attend. Okay, I'm disturbing. Be right back.
से आप सबको a very happy Diwali.
Sonal was ending her own vlog.
लो भाई खुश रहो और पैसा कमाओ.
ये क्या है? अरे वाह,
फिर इधर आने देना.
ये तो ऐसे हो गया जैसे मेरे को इवेंट में बुलाया और मेरे को फीस मिल रही है.
Stupid.
So we are heading for Diwali now. Is Diwali dinner, Dhanteras dinner?
अरे
Celebratory dinner.
Bye.
What bye? अभी वीडियो
Happy
चालू है.
Diwali.
अभी वीडियो चालू है.
Anyways, happy Diwali.
Alright, so this is the next day, and before we end this video, we have one last thing to talk about. That is some of the exciting sneakers from Nike for this month, and there aren't any, so I'm not going to waste any time talking about the usual dunks and crap like that. If you want to know what my thoughts about these basic general dunks are, then go check out the previous upcoming release videos. Either ways, for today we're just talking about two sneakers. That is, one is the Burgundy Crush, or it was some other name, actually I forgot. You'll just see it on the screen, I'm not very sure. It's similar to the Midnight Navy Jordan ones that released, but in the burgundy colorway instead of the navy colorway. So yeah, that is a fire sneaker. It's looking absolutely fantastic. I think it should probably make it to India, and if it does, then you know how the Midnight Navy resale is going. This might not be as good or higher, but it might be at par or little lower, but either way it's a great cop for personals and for reselling. Now moving on, for the third time I guess we're going to be discussing about the Air Jordan 2 Off-White, because they've just been delayed, but they're finally set to come out in November. So yes, I've said that before also, it is a nice sneaker. Give it a shot. I know it's Jordan 2, not a lot of people like it, and their lows not even highs, but either ways I think they are pretty fire. It has been inspired by the OG. Let's not get into the technicalities. The point is, it's a great sneaker. I think it should be around a sub 40,000 rupee sneaker in the resale market, which could possibly be the cheapest Off-White Jordans to have in the whole collection. So yeah, it's a definite cop for personals and for reselling. That's all I have to discuss with you about the upcoming sneakers in today's vlog. And right now, since it's the next day, I'm heading out for some other things, and probably I'll be starting another vlog after this. So basically the point is, this month is going to have a lot of vlogs, because I don't know if you guys know, but I'm heading to Delhi for quite a long time. I mean, say about 10 to 12 days probably at a stretch, and I won't be coming back to Bombay. And while we are doing that and what's happening, I'm going to probably update you in the next vlog. So if you're watching till here, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.